This video is sponsored by Wild Police Chase.
Just wait. Go. Stay on your toes. This one. Stay on your toes. Say D74 City 1024.
D74 City 1024.
D7.
Southland Drive.
What?
Southland Drive.
Southland Drive.
Arkansas. Frank.
Arkansas. Boy, Sam, Young. Oh, shit.
Say, just keep going. Say 1037. Say it.
D74 City 1037.
Go. Alright, TV out.
That's correct.
Double saddle. TV out. Stop him. Get out, car! Go.
Tag him.
Tag him. We're on Montrose Drive. I'm trying to TP out.
Montrose Drive, TBI.
Yeah. Go. City, we're on it's a dead end road. We're trying to TBI. It's Arkansas. Frank Boy, Sam Young, Victor. Frank Boy, Sam Young, Victor.
10-4. Frank Boy, Sam Young, Victor.
TV out. Get out the car! Get out the car!
Please, take me off the light there. Come and get
Hey,
the door, please.
keep your hands where we can see them.
Please, thank you.
You hear me?
Hey, I just want to go to some light, please.
Listen.
No.
Hey, shut up.
Please, take
Hey,
me to some
shut
light.
up.
Please. Don't take my phone until I can record, please.
Shut up.
Take me to some light, please, bro.
TV out.
TBI.
Hey,
Put your hands up!
keep your hands where we can see them.
Hey, come in.
Hey, listen.
Come cuff me, please. I'm not
Listen.
doing anything, bro.
Shut up and listen to me.
I'm not doing anything, I promise. Come and cuff me.
Open your door from the outside.
Okay.
Open it from the outside. Now.
Open your door from the outside now!
From the outside. Unlock it.
Hey, it's locked. Hey. Please, man.
One hand!
Hey, you listen. You try anything stupid, you're gonna get shot.
Sir, I promise I'm not doing it. Please just take me to the light. Can I record my phone, please, sir? No. Here, grab my hands. I'm not doing anything.
Come around the back of my car.
Hey, I'm not doing
Put your gun
anything.
down. Don't sweep.
I'm not doing anything. Can I please record my phone, please? At least.
Keep lethal, okay?
Hey,
I got you.
Can I please record my phone, please? Please, sir. There's no light.
Do not move.
There's no light out here.
Freaking
Do not move.
I'm not here. I'm not doing anything.
Get out the freaking. Hey, get out the window. Get out the window.
Okay, I'm about to, man.
Get out.
Okay. Can you please take me to some light? Hey, can I get some light, please? Hey.
Do not move.
Look, I'm not, sir. Look. I'm not doing anything. I promise. Don't have anything on me, man. I'm not doing shit. I promise. I just want to go with some light, please. Can I record my phone? Can you at least record my phone, please?
No.
Please. I promise I'm not doing shit.
You're being recorded right now.
For real, please. Can I see the light flash at least or something? Please let me know if you're recording. Please. See, I'm cooperating, man. Please. That's all I was telling y'all. Take me to some light, please.
City, we're 10:15.
Take me to some light, please.
10:15.
Stand up.
All right. Hand up, man. Hey, keep the light on. Yeah? No, keep the light on me, please. Let me get my shirt. Please. Please. Jimmy. Can I get my shirt on my phone, please?
No.
One to go to the light, man.
Hey, if there's anything in the seat, move it.
To the other side, or?
No, be on this side. Just move this side. Okay, it's all being recorded.
It's being recorded. Promise.
Should freaking stop.
I said, come take me to the light.
You're running. That's what you were doing.
No, I kept saying, look, I stuck my hand out the window. I said, look, man, just take me to the
Yeah,
light.
like we can freaking hear you while you're driving.
I said, but guess what? I stuck my hand out the window. I'm like, look, just take me to the man. Sorry about that, dude, dog. But I'm still going there. Hey.
Connector.
Okay, City, I'll get you more accurate location in just a moment.
Hey, man.
10, bro, I've got you on my map. It looks like off of Kittle Road.
Hey.
You turn on to Glengarry Drive and then Montrose Drive. Call it the dead end.
Hey.
Yeah, we're recording it, yeah.
And for we're talking start at 10:11.
Temple.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. I won't lie, my adrenaline's just a little bit up.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my video and press bell icon to get future updates.